Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make uncured bacon. We'll cover the simple steps to transform a plain pork belly into delicious, naturally cured bacon right in your own kitchen. You'll learn about the essential ingredients for the cure, the proper curing time, and the best way to smoke it for incredible flavor. Get ready to enjoy homemade bacon that's free from synthetic additives. First, you'll need to prepare your curing mixture. This typically includes kosher salt, brown sugar, and a natural nitrite source like celery powder. Thoroughly rub this mixture all over your pork belly, ensuring even coverage. Then, place the pork belly in a sealed bag or container and refrigerate it for 7 to 10 days. This allows the cure to fully penetrate the meat.
Quick recommendation: while your bacon is smoking, don't let your feet get cold. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're incredibly comfortable and durable, perfect for standing around the smoker. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like it. You can find the link for darn tough socks and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
After the curing period, it's crucial to rinse the pork belly very well under cold running water. This removes any excess cure from the surface. Next, pat the entire pork belly completely dry using paper towels. For the best results, place the dried pork belly on a wire rack and return it to the refrigerator for 24 hours. This drying step helps form a pellicle, which is essential for good smoke adhesion. Now for the best part, smoking. Preheat your smoker to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pork belly directly on the grates. Use your favorite wood chips, such as apple or hickory, to infuse a wonderful smoky flavor. Smoke the pork belly for about 3 hours, or until its internal temperature reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This low and slow process ensures a tender, flavorful final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.